What if I told you there's a way to get lifetime access to essential marketing tools for free? That's right, say goodbye to pricey subscriptions. This offer includes traffic, autoresponders, and more. Here's the catch. These aren't just bots. You're getting human traffic to boost your online presence. Need a page builder? Enjoy hosting for 10 pages at zero cost. It's all included. Pop-up creators too. 10 stylish pop-ups? Yes, you can craft those without breaking the bank. Track your links with 199 trackers, allowing you to see real user engagement. Talk about insight. Want to make money? There are 5 simple methods to start earning, even as a beginner. Yes, really. Since 2008, they've continuously evolved their offerings, from autoresponders to PDF link rebranding for pros. 4K members have already seen real traffic. The proof is in the numbers. Think this is too good to be true? Comment below with your thoughts. Could this be your ticket to success?